The vacuum cleaner was invented by Herbert Cecil Booth, an English engineer, in 1901. Booth's design involved a large horse-drawn contraption that used suction power to collect dust and debris from carpets and floors. This invention led to the foundation for the development of modern electric vacuum cleaners. The invention of vacuum cleaner revolutionized the cleaning industry. It provided a more efficient and effective method of removing dust and dirt from floors and surfaces. The advent of electric vacuum cleaners made cleaning easier and more accessible to households worldwide. Today, vacuum cleaners are an essential household appliance, simplifying the task of keeping our homes clean and dust-free.